Your flagship coaching product helps you to stand out in the coaching industry. Brand yourself. People will recognize you from your product. Why is that important? How can you have one for your coaching business? That's the episode in this Daily Dynamo. How to help others using your knowledge, skills, and expertise and build a profitable online business. At the same time, overcome daily challenges of self-doubt and procrastination while maintaining relationships and good health. I'm Chinmai Swamy, and welcome to Daily Dynamo for short and powerful episodes with proven strategies and systems to boost your confidence, increase your sales, and get virtual clients. Hey, this is Chinmai Swamy. Welcome to another episode of Daily Dynamo. A flagship product. Your flagship product is a product which you can sell, and it makes your own. It has your own unique name, and only you can sell it because it's your brand, it's your product, it's your coaching systems and strategies into it. So that's what a flagship product is. Basically, that's the uniqueness of it. The other aspect of a flagship product is that's the product you sell to your clients. The first product you sell. There might be other like lead generating, free giveaways, or a $7 tripwire product. Those are not your flagship. They're just your lead generating tripwire products. But after that, your first product, like the one which you're going to make an offer and ask them, hey, buy my coaching program, that has to be a $997. That's your flagship product, and the ideal price for that is a $997 offer. Well, you can have online courses for $200 or $300. That's not successful. That's not how you build a six-figure business, because these online courses, people will use it, and there are a lot of drawbacks with just having online courses. I'll make another Daily Dynamo episode for you, but this one is all about flagship. So the ideal price for a flagship product is $1,000 mark, because that's a nice way to filter out and only attract clients who are serious about their own improvement, and they have enough faith to trust in themselves and take your offer. So because you can actually work with these clients and actually bring results with these clients, as to someone who's just paid $7 or $200, but they are very difficult. They will not work. They have their own challenges. Those clients are good, but they are not going to invest more in you because they don't believe that they can get improvement in themselves. So that's why flagship product helps you to identify your target audience very clearly. And when you have nailed the target audience, then the flagship product becomes very easy to sell. And that's the key. That's why it tests your brand as well. So flagship product is something you have to have three elements into it. I'll make a detailed episode of that later on. Every flagship product must have one. One is an answer. You're helping them go from A to B. Your unique solution. That's the answer. And that answer can be through a video, an online course, or a program, anything. Like, it's just something they can get. It's the answer, A. And T stands for tools and templates. What can you offer them so that whilst they're implementing your answer, what tools they would need, what templates would make them get faster? That's the T. And the M, the third element, is the mindset. That is what challenges they would face internally whilst they're implementing the answer. So you would want to give them mindset like mentoring, group coaching, those kind of things, which actually helps them move forward, implement the answer, and then use the tools, beat procrastination, all of that. So M is a main part. That's a slot thing. I'll make another episode on ATM. Stay tuned. So you need to subscribe to Daily Dynamo so that you stay tuned and you get these updates when I release these amazing episodes. So flagship product is a key to your business. If you don't have a flagship product, that means you're not a professional yet. You're still an amateur. You're still trading for hours. You're still booking clients or on an hourly rate, and that's not going to help you make a six-figure business. That's not going to help you build a lifestyle business. It's not going to help you build a virtual coaching business. It's not. an hourly rate is not going to. You need to have a flagship offer of $1,000. Well, thanks for watching this episode, and I'll post the links of those 2 episodes in the comments and descriptions below, so that you can take a look at those episodes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you. Bye. Hey, this is Chinmai Swamy, your host at Daily Dynamo. Be sure to follow and subscribe for new and energetic episodes. If you liked today's episode, please join the next live training, Virtual Sales Mastermind, where you will learn how to sell your advice online and get virtual clients. It's absolutely free. Simply go to virtualsalesmastermind.com to register for the free live training. See you in the next episode. Bye.